What up, YouTubers and YouTubettes? So, if you ever had one of these that did not work like this, no matter what you do, he clicks away, and then you got one like this, lights the first time every time. Well, today I am going to show you how to fix these. So a lot of times what happens is down here you can kind of see the red wire in there. So that's your wire that runs the spark up here, and it's what ignites your fuel. And so 99% of the time, if these things quit working, it's because of that. And it could break down the tube, or it could break right in here, because this thing just sets on it, on the wire, and that's how it makes its continuity to get to there. And so anyways, I'm going to take this apart real fast. Alright, so you just undo this screw right here, and then there's one on the other side also, and then this will just wiggle out. Come on, just like that. And so you can see, oh, you can't see. Alright, so my wire is right here, and that's the same wire that goes up this, travels up to here, and into right there. And so I'm gonna have to rerun a new wire down here, and then if you see how it's just pushes, it's just coming out there and dead ending kind of, and that's because it just sits on that spring in there, and that's where the trigger gets its connection to run the spark up there. But now this here is a very important piece. So you can see how it's got a little hole in it. So your wire sits in that, and then it sits in here. So that way it holds your wire just off the wall or whatever, so that way it can spark. Because if it touches, it won't make a spark. It'll just ground out. And so that was part of the problem I had, was the last time I wired this, I didn't end up putting it through here, because I figured I could run the wire down and into here, and then push it down and then go back up and through that little thing, and I wasn't able to. And so that's where I'm at now. And so now I'm gonna run a wire in here, come up here, and come out, and then have this slide down the wire and in. Something to do is make sure your wire can go through that stupid little hole before you run it through there. Notice how I've got a different color wire now. Fuck. Alright, so now you can see how I've got it set in there. Okay, see, it's still in there. And I put this thing back on. And you can see I got wire coming through it and over to the side. Oh, come on, camera. Well, there, now you can see it. And so now that goes down in there, and that goes on to there. See it sparking, that's good. Alright, let's try this. Perfect. Oh, what the... Ooh. That glued right there, that's probably why it had some backfire right there. But anyways, that's how you fix one of these that doesn't work. So anyways, till next time, guys. Nice and short video.